Hello, welcome to this motorsports workshop. Unfortunately, I would have liked to have been with you today, but my diary has decided otherwise. And so I'm going to leave you with one or two messages which are really trying to outline how we use motorsports within the Michelin Group to develop our overall tyre products. First of all, I think it's important to understand a little bit of the background. Michelin and competition has a very, very strong relationship. Competition is deeply embedded into the way the group operates, and it's really our strong participation in competition in motorsports, both two-wheel and four-wheel, that have allowed us to develop in the past and will continue to do so in the future, a crucial element for Michelin. Crucial because it's in meeting the sorts of challenges that we find in extreme conditions that are motorsports that are going to lead us to developing ourselves, to progressing and to permanently innovating. In fact, I think you'll find through the course of the day, motorsports is a really strong stimulant for progress. Michelin has been in motorsports for over 100 years as an actor, victorious, and since 1973, when we first started participating in world championships, we've now accumulated almost 1,000 victories. So it's really when we put ourselves in competition in a situation outside the normal use of tyres that we're going to be inspired, find new ideas that are going to develop materials, that are going to develop tyre structures, systems for evaluating performance that subsequently are going to feed into the development, the conception of the normal road series tyres. Michelin in competition and our method for participating in those competitions is really based on three fundamental points. First of all, that of passion that we're going to find through having more competition in motorsports itself. It's passion and competition in a motorsports that's going to make us progress more rapidly. We're going to add to the challenge that when you're in a competitive environment, you're able to demonstrate your differences compared to those of your competitor. And in fact, it's important that the challenge of motorsports leads to progress for the people and for research. Second point is that of innovation. We're using competition as a real live technical laboratory where we're testing products in competition, and those technologies which are then proven in competition are going to be transferred into the tyres for normal series. In fact, we can say today that the elements already tested in competition are already present in road series tyres today. And the third point is that of a responsible approach to competition. Michelin looks to be involved in competitions, in championships that are looking to, by their rules and regulations, reduce the overall energy consumption. It might be by bringing less tyres to a competition, by increasing the longevity of a tyre, or by being in partnership with cleaner vehicles like hybrids and biofuels. And the Porsche guys will tell you a little bit more about that later on. Michelin started in endurance racing the notion of the Michelin Green X Challenge, and that's been going for some time now. Michelin Green X Challenge rewards the car that goes the fastest, the furthest, consuming the least energy. And we're now looking to develop this notion through a topic called sustainable racing. As I said earlier, competition is absolutely crucial for Michelin in developing its road series tyres. Technologies that are proven in competition are then identified and moved on to commercialised products very, very quickly to benefit the general public. Many technologies that are present in today's road tyres have already been tried and tested in competition. The latest example is that of the Michelin Pilot Sport, which has come out of tyres that have been used in 24-hour Le Mans racing. Two technologies called Toiron and Bicompound. These two technologies which bring greater stability at high speed and also a greater longevity, endurance in tight cornering. Whatever the demands of our customers, whether it be our partners in competition, whether it be car constructors, whether it be the general consumer, Michelin is going to make available our high performance product range, which is going to satisfy all those demands. It's a balance of performance that needs to be achieved. It's not necessarily an easy balance, but it's one that Michelin works on continuously. Motorsport today is demanding tyres that have an increased level of balance on three basic parameters: that of safety, that of longevity, and that of pure performance. And the real challenge for us is to bring those three together in not necessarily an easy way, to bring them together, to let them progress in competition. And what we then do is to move all those findings of technology into road series tyres.
Michelin, a better way forward.